I got this Disney Lorcana winter spell to open. Let's see what we get. Alright, let's see what cards we get in this. Probably a better way to open these, but alrighty. I think we can just open easily right up there. Nice. Alright. Strike a good match. Percy. Pot of Honey. Agnar. Mickey Mouse. McHorn. Big Mama. Flit. Slushy. Kristoff's Leech. Belle. The Frozen Vine. And then we got this Shanzay Ventura told me about the Frozen Vine and how it might have a connection to this winter storm. Nice.